Hi. Panchakarma is the heart of Ayurvedic healing, a journey of deep cleansing and renewal. Through 5 traditional therapies, we gently release what no longer serves the body, mind, and spirit. The 4th treatment is Nasya, a beautiful practice of clearing and nourishing through the nose, the gateway to the brain. With just a few drops of warm medicated oil, we cleanse the sinuses, soothe the nervous system, and bring clarity to the mind. It can support headaches, allergies, stress, and mental fog, and often brings a feeling of emotional lightness and openness. And then the 5th and final treatment is Raktamokshana, or bloodletting. It's used less often today, but traditionally it helped to remove excess heat and purify the blood, especially in conditions involving inflammation or skin disorder. It reminds us that healing can sometimes mean letting go of what's held deepest within. Panchakarma teaches us that real health is a rhythm, a returning again and again to balance. Each treatment, each step is an invitation to come home to yourself. Namaste.